Welcome! Starting a window washing business can be incredibly rewarding, and we're here to guide you through the essential first steps. Let's begin with the crucial planning and setup phase. The very first thing to consider is your service area. Think about the neighborhoods you want to serve, the bustling commercial districts, or perhaps the offices and retail stores that could benefit from sparkling clean windows. Next, it's time to choose your focus. You could specialize in residential window washing, which is often a fantastic way to get started, offering the potential for loyal, repeat clients. Alternatively, you might aim for commercial clients like storefronts and offices. This route can lead to larger contracts and more significant paydays. Once you have a clear idea of your target market, pick a business name that sounds clean, professional, and memorable. Now, let's move on to the legal and business basics. You'll need to register your business. You can choose to operate as a sole proprietor, which is simpler, or form a limited liability company (LLC) for added protection. You'll also need to obtain a business license, which is typically an inexpensive but necessary step. Finally, securing liability insurance is absolutely vital to protect yourself and your business. We're excited to help you build a successful venture.